Hi everyone. For me, it's been a long time that I haven't uploaded videos or film. Every time I got home, because I'm busy working, going home, going home, and since I got home, I'm so tired. I just wanna relax and do nothing. That's why it's been a while that I haven't uploaded videos. But anyways, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, another unboxing video. Finally, I got my monthly subscription beauty box Boxyluxe. Okay, this is different than the normal Boxycharm. So Boxyluxe, they make it a little bit bigger, and I got this every 3 months. So I'm really excited. I haven't opened it yet. And join me to unbox my Boxyluxe this month. I'm really excited. Every time I do my unboxing, any kind of unboxing, get me really excited. It feels like it's always Christmas to me to open a gift every Christmas. That's how I feel every time I unbox my what do you call this, subscription box or beauty box, whatever you call that. So this is Boxyluxe. It's I'm excited. I don't know what's inside. It's heavy, and yeah. Okay, this is really cute paperwork, and at the back it tells the skincare or makeup brand that we're gonna get today. I'm really excited. Ooh. Okay, first one. I think I have the same eyeshadow palette like this one. This one, guys, super cute eyeshadow palette. This is really cute eyeshadow palette. And oh my god, it's so beautiful. The color is amazing. Look at this. The color is super nice. A lot of different colors that I can play with. Even though I don't know how to do eyeshadow, but it's nice to have a different color of eyeshadow that you can experiment to your eyelid. Ooh, another makeup brushes. I love makeup brushes. So next is this makeup brushes. Super cute packaging. Oh, love red. It's like Christmas. The bag is super cute, like velvet soft. Super cute. Oh my god, that's what it's look like, guys. The brushes. Oh, I'm so cute. I'm excited. I still have a lot of brushes that I haven't used it yet, but this is nice combination of color of brushes. Gold, 2, 4, 6, 8 different kind of brushes. Very nice. And then yeah, you just like close that like that. Just close that like that and snap it. I'm really excited. Oh, I love Boxyluxe. This is the nicer box that okay, the next one is one of my favorite beauty brand, Iconic London. Another eyeshadow. Ooh, not eyeshadow, kind of like Iconic London, guys. Super nice. What do you call this? Blush and highlighter and bronzer. Super cute. I love it. Okay, next one is a whitening kit, beauty teeth whitening kit. I'm so excited, guys. This is what it looks like, guys. A whitening kit. I'm excited. It's in the back like that one. Oh my god, can I am allowed to use this one? I don't know if I'm allowed to use this one, but oh, I'm so excited. It's a whitening kit, teeth whitening kit. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm really excited to use this one. Oh my god, it's surprised me. Okay, next is the Good Genes all-in-one lactic acid treatment. This is what it look like, guys. Treatment daw siya. I don't know, for maybe for face, for to make your face better, like a serum, I don't know. But oh, for yeah, to exfoliate your face, and also it's a treatment. And cute, the packaging is so cute. It's glass, it's a big skincare bottle. Yay, I'm so excited. A moisturizer, cool. I think I have a exactly the same this one, but it's cleanser, face cleanser. So I'm really excited about this one too. Super cute bottle too. And the last one is, oh, glitter pen eyeshadow. Super cute packaging. Oh my god, it is super cute packaging. I'm so excited. The packaging is so cute. This is a glitter eyeshadow. Let me open this. Oh my god, 3 pieces of glitter eyeshadow. Oh, it's a beautiful. I really need to learn how to play my eyeshadow. Oh yeah, it's like a crayon. It's super cute. Very cute, guys. Oh, we got 3. I love the packaging. Oh my god, I love Boxyluxe. Now I'm really excited. I cannot wait to play all of this and experiment. Let's open. Oh, you can open it. It's still sealed, but this is what's look like the color. We got like green, blue, and kind of like gray. Yeah, but this is what's look like the glitter eyeshadow. I'm so excited. Beautiful. The packaging is so cute. I'm surprised of the packaging though. Really cute packaging. Oh, what's this? That's inside the box. Just the card, like this one. If you're curious, super cute. Oh my god, it's really cute. I love it. I'm so excited. Okay, this is the last one. I don't know what is this. Okay, by the way, guys, this is it says calming dimple rub, relaxing dan laban. It says for relaxing, and it's the super blend of oils can help assist in relieving headaches, stress, and anxiety. So I'm really excited about this one. Again, super cute glass bottle for relieving headaches, stress, and anxiety. And this is $24. So I'm really excited. I'm really excited about all of the skincare and the beauty brand that I got for this month for my Boxyluxe. I cannot wait to try this for teeth whitening kit for teeth. I'm so excited about this one, and also the eyeshadow, glitter eyeshadow crayon. Really excited about this. I cannot wait. I really need to play with my eyeshadow. That's beautiful packaging of eyeshadow glitters. Super nice. Next is the set of brush. I'm so excited. I don't know. I'm not sure if we're gonna use it right away because I still have like a bunch of makeup brushes that I'm still using, and I still have some of the makeup brushes that haven't used it all. So yeah, that's super nice makeup brushes, and I like the color combination of gold. Super nice. And these two, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to play with these, especially this one. I love this brand, this Iconic London. Such a beautiful and nice makeup brand. And also this one too. I remember, I do believe I still have one of these exactly the same that I got a long time ago. Every time I unbox my monthly subscription box, it feels like Christmas, opening Christmas presents all the time. And it makes me really excited to open my monthly subscription beauty box. Alright everyone, if you're new here, my name is Christine, and thank you for tuning in. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new video like this. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye everyone. Happy holidays.